Hi, today we'll see how you can configure change data capture in Salesforce and how you can consume the event message in MuleSoft. To do that, you need to go to setup. So, what is change data capture? It is nothing but when a CRUD operation is performed on any of the record of the configured object, event is generated and which is consumed by the MuleSoft application. So, after coming into setup, you just need to write change and you see change data capture. Here, the only thing you need to do is to add the object that or as object that you need to configure change data capture for. For example, in our case, we need to configure that for account object. You just click this and save. This is the only thing that you need to do from the Salesforce. And now coming back to MuleSoft application, we have used reply channel listener to consume the change data capture, and we are just logging the payload as it is. Here you can see that I have configured a Salesforce configuration, and if you want to do that, I have also created a video for that. So here, if you look at the configuration for reply channel listener, you see that this is the format that we want a streaming channel to be in. Here this remain constant, we need to write data, and this part is also constant. We just need to add the object name for which we need to consume the event. In our case, we need to consume it for accounts, so we have write accounts here. Here we have replay option, so it could be anything. We have all, we have from last reply id, we have from reply id, and only new events. So you can configure as per your need. And so this is the complete setup that I have done. So the application is already running, and let me clear the logs. So now I'll generate one event from Salesforce. Let's do one thing. Let's edit this record. I'll edit the phone number, write this, save. So now we go back to our MuleSoft application. You can see we received the data from Salesforce. To access any fields from the payload, you just need to write payload.data.payload, and you can access any of those fields.